I hope everybody is doing great. So it's on a Monday, guys, so of course I need to start market analysis, and let me see if we might get good opportunities that we might react on this week. So let's just try to go through some of the pairs, you understand. So this is Eurnzd. Okay, right, so this is what I see on Eurnzd based on the weekly. First things first, let's just try to identify the last high and the last low. So we have this as the highest zone, the previous immediate zone. Then of course we have this as the last support zone or the demon zone. So right over here we might try to add our trend. Basically I believe things will make sense on the lowest time frame. So when we go to the daily, we're just going to try to adjust our levels or our trend lines, you understand, and guess what, react to what the market will be doing. So basically we had this kind of a bullish flag, that is a bearish flag, sorry. Let's have this probably right here to make it more handsome and more neat. Alright, so the next thing I'm seeing right here was a double top, and we see that the market price is going all the way down because of this double top. No problem. Okay, so there was this level, that's the neckline, and of course we have a level right here. Let's just take care of the week. I know most people do like having their levels right here marked, but I do prefer having them on the weak side. I don't forget the weeks, somewhere around that level. Okay, so this is based on the daily. Let's go to the H4. Right, this is what we have. Okay, so right now, since this is the current market position, we need to understand what the price is doing around this area. If we see a continuation pattern, we should take our entry. If we see a reversal structure, we take our entry. Right, so right now we see that we are still in a downtrend basically, and we see of course price giving us, this was an impulse correction. We have this impulse. So on Eurnzd, I'm still expecting price to give us a continuation pattern or a correction. So I can mark this level right here and then kind of wait for the market or price to give me this kind of a behavior, continuation pattern. And if I see a break or a reversal pattern, that's when I'm going to take a sell position. So this is what I'm expecting on Eurnzd this week, something like that. Okay, and if that doesn't happen, then we should look for buy position. That is, price gives us a buying kind of a pattern, then we should look for entry position. So remember, we still have, let's just call this first tie, second tie right there. So I hope that's making sense. So I'm still anticipating price to give me the third touch, because I've just started from the immediate last two lower high right here, lower high right here. So right now price is at the lowest low, so I'm expecting price to give me a lower high, then we should look for sell position. But if price does this, goes up and give me, price goes up, then give me another continuation pattern right here, then takes out this resistance, then that's a good confirmation for buy. So but for now we are still in a bearish market, so let's just have that marked. Let's talk about gold, because most people like trading gold. Let's start from the weekly. In fact, I can see something right here. When we start from the daily, we had a double top right here, and of course this is the last low, right? So if we have a double top right here, that's a good sign that price wants to go down, of which we see already price went down, no problem. We might have this, consider adding that as a bearish flag. Then we go to the H4. then start adjusting our levels, make them look more clean, neat and handsome right here. Let's just make it right there. Right, so now we see gold drop, no problem, but then all this drop was just an impulse. Gold never gave us any correction last week, so the last level or support was this right here. So right now we should see gold trying to pull back all the way to this level. So this is the kind of pattern that we should be looking out for. Now if gold gives us a reversal structure right here, then it's a good sign that we should be taking our sell into position, something like right there. Okay, then of course your stop loss needs to be above whichever the level that market will have reversed from. So let's go to the 1 hour. So I'll remove this and bring in my trend line. Of course we need to cater for these levels, have it but then as time goes by, if we see gold breaking structures, we just keep on evolving, guys. Okay, and at the same time price might not hit this level. We still have a level right here. Okay, so we just need to understand the market or price movement or price behavior. As long as you see a reversal structure and then gold breaking out of the last low, then now that's a good sign to take your sell position. But if that doesn't happen, then we don't do anything. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. If gold continue going up, let's say it does this, comes down, gives this kind of higher low right here, then if it takes out that higher low, then it's a good confirmation that now she's ready to take a sell. And if that doesn't happen, we don't do a thing. Or this is the case, gold might go up, come down a little bit, goes up, then guess what, this is a level right here. Now that's a double top. Then if it breaks, it's a good confirmation. Okay, so I'll add gold to my watch list too. And lastly, let me try to see if I can get something on Nasdaq or US30. Last week I had a good analysis on US30 and price really respected my analysis, which is an amazing thing. First things first, we need to see we had a double top. Basically this drop right here, before this drop happened last week, I saw that sign that US30 wanted to drop. So we have that S in neckline. So let's go to the H4 right here. Remember, if we bring in trend, we can maybe have it right here. You see price broke out of that, which is an amazing thing basically. And of course we had that. Now remember, there's also another double top here. Price goes an impulse correction, then we had a bigger version of an impulse. So right now US30 is still in a correction phase. You don't have to do a thing. Okay, the last level was this zone right here, guys. I know price might just do this impulse, then you see a smaller correction, then you see price dropping. It's kind of risky taking an entry right there, because market or price might still go back to retest this level, because you've not seen a retest on this level. That's when you see price dropping, because these guys are quite aware that if the market start dropping, most stop loss are going to be here, which is not bad though. But then you see market taking you out, then that's why when you see price going down. Okay, now if we bring in our trend 1 2, you see, so there's that anticipation that price might still go back to test this level. So to be on the safer side, even if you see price dropping, I'll just let it drop. It's not bad to miss out a trade, but then I prefer to be safe, guys. You understand? So I'm still anticipating this kind of a pullback right here, correction, something like this. Then I look for my sell properties right there, something like that. Now if you kind of look at this level right here, that is what price was doing, guys. So for now, Us30, let's just wait for also for a pullback, guys. So this is just a patient game, guys. You need to be patient. You understand? So Us30, let's just add that to my watch list. And probably, how about we look into Gbpjpy? It's been a while since I took a trade on Gbpjpy, guys, because I've not been seeing positions though. But then let's see if we can have some this week. Gbpjpy has been going all the way up. Okay, this is it. Now if you cater for this week right here, you might have, you know, a level marked right there, and let's just mark this level too. So let's just try to see how price is going to react around this level right here. So if you see some kind of a reversal, then we react to that, and if you kind of see continuation, we react to that. You understand? So let's go to the daily. You see on the daily, everything is still bullish. Price still bullish. Then let's go to the H4 and even H1 15 and understand what price is doing basically. Okay. So right over here, we need to add this, probably a trend right there. 1 2 3, and let's see if we can clone this. As long as it makes sense, then it's a go. Let's do this. Right there. So let's go to the H1 now. No problem. We need to add another trend. Right. So we had another trend line right here. 1 2, right there. We need to clone this. Let's have it right here. So this is what we have basically. Okay, so in case price wants to reverse, then the next level should be here. You understand? Then let's go to the 15. Right there. So now what we should be looking out for, guys, are just reversal patterns or continuation pattern, guys. Okay, now to know where the market wants to go or to predict the market direction, just look for those two things: reversal patterns or continuation pattern. When I talk about reversal pattern, I'm talking about head and shoulder. I'm talking about double top, inverse head and shoulder, you know, double bottom. When I talk about continuation pattern, I'm talking about bullish flag or bearish flag. You understand? So if you don't see those kind of pattern, then we don't do a thing. All right. So now this is still based on the 15. Let's mark out this level right here. Okay. So if we have that kind of a level, remember right here we still have a touch first, second touch, third touch. We see price went all the way up. So there's also another possibility that price might touch here or continue going back to this level. Now if we kind of, you know, respect this uptrend movement, then if we get, you know, price touching this level support, look for a reversal pattern. That's when you take your buy entry, target this level right here. You know, you understand there's this supply zone that we did mark from the highest time frame, which is the weekly. So something like this, and target right there. Not bad. 68 pips, not bad though. You understand? And if price does this, goes down, plays around right here, then that's going to be a good sign to take a sell, something like this. As long as you see what price is doing. I keep on saying that market, or, you know, forex market gives out blueprints. It's just us, we need to, you know, we need to react to what the market is saying, you know. Okay, so I hope you guys got that, and stay safe this week, guys. And if these things that don't happen, guys, just be patient. Wait for the market, you know, to cook. Wait for price to give you the blueprints. Let the market give you the direction. Don't just, you know, take your entry. You need to be safe. You understand? So I like what GBP is printing basically. So I'm just going to watch out on GBP because she's more than, you know, ready compared to the others. Let me add these two. Something like that. We had a Euro USD. Now she's dropping. Right. Okay guys, so please stay safe this week guys, and I wish you all the best, you understand. So check out my Telegram link in the description box guys. If you want to reach me out, also link in the description box too, you understand. So adios, man, because peace.